Welcome to Kaplan's new ACA Next Generation courses, meticulously designed to empower learners every step of the way. We pride ourselves on a learner-centered design, built and delivered by leading experts, ensuring learners are not just passing exams, but are truly prepared to excel. Our courses are crafted to be motivating and engaging, making complex topics accessible and exciting. Each course is broken down into bite-sized, focused elements, aligned to the ICAW syllabus, with improved accessibility, responsive mobile design, enhanced visuals, and interactive elements. This microlearning approach offers a more engaging and flexible learning experience. Learner success is our priority. Tutor contact time is strategically aligned to provide support exactly when it's needed most, with additional input at the start of studies and during more challenging subjects with broader syllabi. From day one, learners are supported in building confidence and resilience. Throughout each course, topics are interleaved and spaced practice is built in, supporting the deep embedding of knowledge for the long term and ensuring technical knowledge is secure. Technical expertise is just the beginning. Our next generation courses also focus on developing the broader professional skills needed for today's workplace. Through innovative resources, learners gain confidence and capability in key areas such as ethics, digital literacy, sustainability, and communication. Kaplan learners benefit from unrivaled support every step of the way. Our dedicated academic support team is available via chat and email, 7 days a week, including evenings, providing timely help whenever needed. Individualized resit support is also available if needed, ensuring every learner has the opportunity to succeed. In addition, learners receive regular tutor feedback to guide progress and keep learning on track. What's more, our next generation courses feature TutorBot, an AI-powered study companion built into every course and accessible on any device. TutorBot provides instant answers and support, 24/7, helping learners stay unstuck and empowering independent learning. This personalized, on-demand support is further enhanced by focus days, structured sessions tailored to individual learning needs. Whether learners are ready to deepen their understanding or revisit tricky topics, focus days provide a supportive space to do so. Combined with comprehensive on-demand resources and the intelligent assistance of TutorBot, focus days play a key role in developing confidence and driving self-directed learning. This strong foundation of support is further reinforced by our sophisticated assessment strategy. Designed to progressively develop effective exam technique and exam-relevant skills, assessments are seamlessly integrated into class time, allowing for real-time support and immediate feedback. Mock exams are strategically positioned to allow space for reflection, feedback, and adjustment prior to the real exam, helping refine exam technique and boost confidence ahead of the actual assessment. Kaplan ACA Next Generation offers a transformative learning experience, equipping future accountants with the skills, confidence, and technical expertise to thrive in a dynamic profession.